I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too.
So bfam, we have came to a Matalang with the family because we're going to look. Caleb, hold Mummy's hand in the car. Because we're going to look. I think it's best to go through the cars, darling. It's very busy up here, guys. Because we're going to look for a new coat for Dionne. She wants a teddy bear coat. So we're going to have a look there first because we're going to watch a firework display today, and she wants a nice warm coat. So we're going to have a look at Matalang, see if there's any in here. Go on, you're safe, darling. And we'll take you guys in and show you guys around. Currently inside of Matalang now. We found this one. This is the kind of colour that Dionne wanted, wasn't it? And it's in the women's department, not the children's. The children's actually don't have any. So what do you think of this one?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Dad, what do you think?
Yeah, so it's an adult, yeah?
It's an adult, yeah.
Size, what size is it?
12. That's the only
12.
one we could find.
Put your hands in the air. Do you know what? I think that fits absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I like this. I thought this was quite nice. Hold that for us, darling.
Well, you could get both if you want both of them.
So she's going to try this one on and see what this one likes because Dionne really wants a teddy bear.
Because I think this one here, what's this one?
No.
This one will be great for when it starts to rain and stuff. If you go out in the rain for teddy bear coat, you haven't got a brolly, you're going to get soaked. It's just going to absorb the water. So maybe this could be like a second coat if she wanted it. But I'll tell you down to Dionne what she wants to choose. Do you like this one or is it just like maybe's?
No.
Right, but you're definitely a teddy bear one.
Yeah.
How adorable is this little jumper for Caleb?
Oh, it's a little red fox.
Yeah.
Do you like it? What do you think? Caleb, I just can't get away, but look at Caleb, guys. Tell me if Caleb looks like a fisherman.
Show them your top and
Let's
stuff.
have a look, you got yellow on underneath as well. Oh, no. You know, hey, camper now, happy go camper. But just when you're all in yellow, I just think you need like a yellow hat, then we could put you on a bird's eye advert.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look so cute with the yellow hat.
He's like, what's bird's eye, Dad?
But they have so many really nice jumpers in here. Look at them.
Has he just got his own basket? Caleb's doing his own shop. What else goes in there?
You like them?
More?
Okay, so it didn't have any teddy bear coats in that fit Dionne, or didn't look nice on here, so we decided to go for this coat. So this is in the women's aisle as well, it's not the children's aisle, and this is a size 10. The size 8 was a little bit too small for her, so we went for the next size up. But she really suits this colour, guys, and it's quite nice actually, and it'll last a while because I got my like ready purple one a couple of years ago, and it's lasted us a good couple of years.
Yeah, they're good quality, those coats.
They are good quality. So this is £35.
And I think it's 35, is it?
Yeah.
So I think that the women's coats are more quality than the kids' coats. I just feel like the difference in them, you know.
You can, yeah, exactly.
But yeah, are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like it.
And you guys have been doing the challenge for your channel. What challenge you guys been doing?
Toss challenge. Yeah.
The toss the coin challenge. Yeah.
And I just had to shout out loud that I went like
And then
that.
after.
9-year-old girl.
And then after he shouts out I wear diapers, he comes running over next to me, hiding between my legs.
Between your legs.
Yeah, well, I was like literally like saying, okay, you want to do this challenge? I'm not taking part in this one. This is for your channel. I'm not doing anything. So I went to walk over to the other side of the store, and then Sean decides to shout out I wear diapers and then come run over next to me.
I feel like a big frill.
Right, so is this to the till now and then maybe go to...
We're going to go and look at the boys and then see if there's anything for the boys.
Right, let's go then.
But Matalang's Christmas range is out and it is so nice. I love Matalang stuff for Christmas. They do so many good things, don't they?
Yeah,
They
definitely.
came here last year for half of our stuff.
Yeah, we did for the Christmas Eve boxes, didn't we?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's get going. We just popped by our local Asda to get some food before we go up to the Bonfire and Firework display up in Hexham. And we went there last year, it was absolutely great.
Oh, really good.
So we're just gonna grab some food. We've just got like some snacks and stuff, some Caesar wraps, and there was actually Halloween donuts on that were reduced down to 38 pence because it was just Halloween the other day. So I've not tried them, I don't know what's inside of them. I think it's like an orange tangy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna be excited to try them. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Caleb.
Cherry and tango apple flavoured donut.
Ooh. So we've got a few of these chicken Caesar wraps. Just going to pass a few back to the kids. Right, Logan, would you like a chicken Caesar wrap?
Yeah, please.
Caleb, would you like one?
Yep. Pass back to him.
Right. We've also got some sausage rolls. I think we've got some crisps as well. The kids have got a bottle of pop each there. So we're going to enjoy this, and then we'll catch up with you guys, no doubt, when we're up at Hexham at the bonfire display.
Yep, we'll see you then.
See you guys in just a bit. So we are now in Hexham. We've just got in a parking space a little bit further up the road. We're about like 20 minutes early, would you say, Stephanie?
Yeah.
The boys are all wrapped up in their winter gear. Caleb's like wrapped up. You look so cool, Caleb. That scarf on, little glasses look so cute. Logan's brought his panda bear hat out. You had this from last year, didn't you?
Yeah.
Do you remember when we went on the big wheel in the city centre of Newcastle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really cool that day.
You got from the Christmas market, didn't you?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, I remember that. Last year the bonfire was huge, wasn't it?
Oh, it was massive.
Absolutely
yeah, biggest one I've
humongous.
seen.
But we were going to go to Saltwell, but
You have to pay for Saltwell, don't you?
yeah, you don't have to pay for this one.
And the thing is with Saltwell, you're waiting around for hours.
Yeah, they never set it off on time, do they?
Because you want to get there early for parking, because there's hardly no parking in Saltwell. And then like, you're waiting around.
And you can never really get a good spot.
Yeah.
So that's why we decided to come up to Hexham for. We were invited out to a firework display
Yeah.
by, was it your aunt who invited us out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stephanie's auntie invited us out to a firework display and stuff at her home. But unfortunately we can't make it because we've got a couple more events on as well. What other ones are we going to after this?
So tomorrow is Whitley Bays.
So we're going to be going to Whitley Bays tomorrow.
Whitley Bay, don't we?
Yeah,
And
they
I
just
think-
have fireworks, so don't they? Don't have like a
Yeah.
fire or anything.
And then I think on Wednesday, well next week, Wallsend have got theirs on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
Guys, you'll have to excuse my voice as well. I've had no voice all day today because I've been unwell. I lost my voice, didn't I, this morning?
Yeah, this morning she just couldn't even speak. So it was a bit of honey and lemon this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I will catch up with you guys when we're down at the actual display and stuff. We'll see you guys in just a little bit. Walk through the gates there. It looks like they've got the whole park lit up. I don't think it was like this last time we came. It looks like all the Christmas lights up on the trees and stuff. It looks really cool. I'll just show you guys. Whoa. What do you think, Logan?
Dad,
Yeah?
how long do you think it would take for them to do this?
I don't know. Sure, it'd take a lot of people though, wouldn't it?
Yeah, because you have to get a lot of ladders.
Yeah. But they've got them all the way down there, haven't they? Got Caleb. A glow-up sword. Did you not want one, Logan?
No.
No?
Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Okay, there's some people who with us. There was a lady at the gate holding the sword in photo of three, and he just went to take it out the lady's hand. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to get him one now. I can't say no to that, can I?
No, you surely can't. I was just saying to them before how nice the whole park's lit up. It's really nice, isn't it?
It's lovely. Caleb's going, it's a Christmas, Mum. I'm going, no, not yet.
I think like they've got like prepared for Christmas as well, maybe.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I showed them.
Yeah, I just showed them the back up there, like what it looks like back up there.
One thing is, put it around your neck, or if you want to just hold it. Now we can't lose you.
Put them around your neck, they will not be able to lose you.
And then Logan's off.
What do you get? A double-edged sword. Wow, you got a singular one. Wow, different colours. These look really good.
really, really hot at the moment.
I know. Like people get you like really early, and then like it's all the full. You only stand there for like 5 minutes because it gets that hot, and everybody just takes off, don't they?
Yeah, all the children have taken their coats off. They're like, look, take the tops off.
Yeah, and you went and bought a new coat for Dionne today. I was like, I'm not sure if you'll need it when you get to the fire. But the fireworks are going off for the next 5 minutes, so we're going to go over there and have a look at the fireworks.
What do you think of the fire, Dionne?
Good, yeah.
And how big it is? It's really, really, really big, guys. Over there. Just turn around to be able to see them.
It's got a canny turnout as well, like there's quite a few people, isn't it?
Do you think it's bigger than last year?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I think
It's a little like, yeah.
And they had an elephant on the top, didn't they, as well, for guys' thoughts.
And I look and say, why is there an elephant on the top of it for? I said, oh, it's just for decoration. And he says, oh, is it because the elephant's going to get burned? I was like, yeah, the elephant's going to get burned.
It's a tricky conversation to have with the children, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard to explain them, isn't it? I'm on that age. But yeah, it's getting like literally roasting here. As you guys can see, my face is like literally glowing like orange.
Okay.
were going to get some food, but I think we'll probably just wait until we get back home, have some food when we get back home. Just that Logan doesn't like hot dogs, so we didn't really want to get a hot dog for everybody else and not get Logan a hot dog. So that's one of the reasons why. But the lighting's getting a bit poor, so I'll catch up with you guys when the lighting is a little bit better further down.
So guys, we've just took a toilet break, and on our way back up, there's a store like down the bottom where the fireworks aren't, and we were walking past and they had a half-price sale on. So, and they did soup though. Yeah, we've been looking over for soup. So we've got leek and potato vegetable soup. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I think this is what I had last time, but I think I had a winter vegetable soup. Right. It was a little bit different. Is it nice? I haven't tasted it yet. Tastes damn good, yeah. Yeah, but it was only £1 each and then £1 each of the hot dogs. So yeah, so it was a bargain at the same time. I'm kind of glad that we waited around till the end to get some. Yeah. So are you going to walk up through the park and maybe see what the band's about? Yeah, let's go and see what the band's doing. Tell us what you think of it if you have a taste. Have you had a taste yet? Is it ready to drink? Just have a little sip, yeah, you should be fine. A little sip. Good stuff, innit? Just what you need on a cold night like this. So we found the band just over there. We're going to stop here. It's a little bit dark, so you guys might not be able to hear us or not might not be able to see us. We're going to sit here, chill out, have our soups. Cheers. Listen to the band. Cheers to finding the soup, Stephanie. And good job. And just sitting on the bench as well. So that all costs us like £6, isn't it? £6 to feed the family, yeah. £6 to feed the family, that's pretty good. So yeah, we're going to have this and we're going to get heading back to the car, aren't we? So are these actually, these are like knitted, aren't they? They look like scrunchies. Wow, that's so cool. And they're all the way along here. How beautiful is that?
Oh, and probably.
Wow.
I think what scrunchies are first.
Free scrunchies. Yeah, that's actually beautiful. That how everybody's knitted them. I wonder who knitted them.
It'll be the like local neighbourhood.
Like the schools and stuff.
Yeah, probably.
Maybe. If anybody else knows, drop a comment down below. So the lighting is pretty good here, so I'm going to be able to talk to you guys for a little bit. Yeah, so I definitely say it's a really nice little place to come to visit, isn't it? Oh, it's a lovely place. I love how we've got all the lights and everything. Oh. It's very like community organised. You feel like it's like a nice community like vibe that you get from it. Because we live in a big city like Newcastle, and like it's not really community anymore, is it? Yeah. More of a city, isn't it? It's a city, yeah. But what I was thinking is, since there's a car here, we'll just stop for a second, is that we should come here one day and do a little bit of Christmas shopping, because I know like we've got like a town centre. Oh yeah. Yeah. And they'll have like the traditional like markets and Hexham market. If you're from here and you know if there's any Christmas markets that they're doing, leave a comment down below guys and let us know, because we'll be interested in coming. Yeah. We love going to different Christmas markets. So that is the end of the vlog today, guys. It's been a bit of a short one, but we thought we'd share it with you guys because we love sharing what we get up to every single day with you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you're new around here and you want to know more about us, we are a vlogging family from the northeast of England. Hit subscribe if you want to know what we get up to. We basically vlog our day every single day, so we'll make a new video every single day. But what we'll do, at one moment we're going to end the video. Okay, as always, our bfam who support our channel, and that's all of our subscribers who watch every single day. We love you guys so much. As always, hashtag be yourself, hashtag be different. Until then guys, good night.